Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kastur Classes, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss one practice problem based on the concept of stack whatever we have discussed in my previous video. Okay, so I am taking the particular problem from Geeks for Geeks, and the problem is reverse a string using stack. So we have seen that if we want to reverse a particular sequence of elements, that may be characters, integers, float numbers, okay, using stack, what we should do? First we should push all the elements one by one in this stack, and then we will apply pop operation. And due to the LIFO property or due to the philo property, that is last in first out or first in last out property, by default if we if we store the popped elements in a particular data structure, we will be getting the reversed version of our input. Okay, so for detailed explanation, please check the link given in the description, because I have explained in detail how this works. I have shown you with one particular example also. So the problem says a string of words is given. The task is to reverse the string using stack. Okay, let me directly go to the example test case. Suppose number of test cases are 2. First test case is Geeks quiz. Okay, so if we reverse, Z will come first, then I, U, capital Q, and then S, K, E, E, G, as it is in the reverse way it is printed. Then next one, Geeks for Geeks. If we reverse, we will be getting this string. Okay, so pause my video, try to solve this particular problem. If you are unable to solve, no need to worry, here I am explaining. So what I will be doing, see, this is a function problem. We just need to complete the function reverse, and we are passing the string through our function. Okay, so first of all we will define one empty stack, and then we will traverse in our input string. So for I in string, I will be taking each character values one by one while traversing from left to right, and we will put that or we will push that in stack. Okay, so stack dot append I, right? Then what we will do to reverse, we will pop and store in other string. So we will define one empty string, and for traversing purpose I will be making I equal to 0. Then while I less than, see, the stack elements, the length of the stack is basically equal to the length of the string, because the string characters are making this stack, right? So I am writing I less than length of the string. Okay, I equal to I plus 1. Okay, and then each time what we will be doing, S equal to S plus, we will basically append the popped character. Okay, so we will apply pop operation for -1 index, right? Because the last inserted element has to be removed. So last inserted element is at the rightmost position, that is index position -1 if you consider negative indexing. So we can use the property of negative indexing and we can extract that. Okay, and then return yes. Let us check whether it is applied for the sample test case or not. Just run compile and test. Okay, so see, for this particular input the reversed one is this one. Yup, correct. And for this one also this one. Now let me submit this and check whether it is applied on all the hidden test cases or not. Okay, because that is important. Yeah, see, correct answer, execution time 0.03. Okay, so like this you can use this stack to reverse a string also. Okay, so these type of questions are very frequently asked in interview process. So if you are preparing for placement, maybe on campus, off campus, whatever, you should know these particular tricks, because these are very frequently asked interview questions. Okay, so this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. If you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.